Ever wonder what the price of Tesla's shares will be in 2035? Experts and hobbyists alike have made several forecasts and assessments. You definitely wouldn't want to miss the information on this one, as there are many factors to take into account when making such forecasts. The majority of analysts covering Tesla believe that you should purchase the shares, with several even projecting a price increase above $1,000. Expert predictions vary greatly, with the average being about $800. This is because a few committed outliers forecast a sharp decline back to the 200 to 300 area. Data from Koifin, a financial data and analytics platform for stock research, shows that Tesla has gained 12,745.7% over the last 10 years, as opposed to the NASDAQ US 100 and SP 500 US 500 US 500 index, which generated returns of 373.5% and 190.7%, respectively, made over the same time period. This indicates that the share value of the company has increased at a compound annual growth rate of 62.4%, indicating a strong return that wasn't without some setbacks. It's critical that investors understand that past performance does not guarantee future results, and as such, they shouldn't base their projections for Tesla stock on previous price movements. The price of Tesla is expected to reach $700 by the middle of 2022 and $900 by the end of 2025, based on the most recent long-term prediction. The price of a Tesla will increase to $1,000 in 2027, $1,200 in 2028, $1,300 in 2029, $1,400 in 2031, $1,400 in 2031. The starting price of a Tesla was $1,955, double zero in 2021. At the end of August, Tesla's price was down 75% from the start of the year, trading at $275.61. By the end of 2022, the price of Tesla is expected to be $464 with a negative 58% year-over-year change. The price of a Tesla will increase to $565 in the first half of 2023, based on the growth from today to year-end plus 68. The price would increase by $4 in the second half and end the year at $569, a 106% increase over the current price. While some analysts predict weakness and a decline below $800, others see the price rising above $1,000. The key concern is whether Tesla can maintain its current valuation, which is much higher than that of any other automaker. Experts predict that if Tesla stock increases by 35% annually, it may reach $1,200 in 2022. A group of over 30 analysts came up with that average growth forecast, though it should be noted that opinions vary. The analysts at JP Morgan have put their December 2022 target at $2,505, which is among the most pessimistic projections. By 2023, Tesla would be valued at almost $1,600 according to the same 35 growth prediction. Even more optimistic predictions call for a 70% yearly growth rate, which would see the price reach $2,670 by the end of 2023. The majority of longer-term Tesla stock projections place the stock's price between $1,000 and $5,000. Although forecasts for the years beyond the next few are more conjectural, it is still feasible to project the size of the market for electric vehicles and set Tesla's price appropriately. For 2024, ARK Investment Management had a price objective of $1,400, which they have recently indicated may be conservative. Many forecasts are predicated on Tesla's expectation to grow sales by 50% yearly, which would enable the business to continuously raise the price of its shares by thousands of dollars. Given that their portion of the EV market is expected to increase significantly over the next few years, Tesla has set a pricing target of $3,000 by 2025. Analysts at ARK predicted that by then, the business may sell about 10 million automobiles, a 20-fold increase over its 2020 sales figures. However, a new valuation model published by Cathie Wood led ARK Invest places the value of Tesla shares at $46,600 by 2026. Their 2021 open-source Tesla model, which projected a value of $3,000 per share in 2025, was changed in response to significant changes, such as autonomous ride-hail assumptions and inputs. The prediction and estimates for capital efficiency have been advanced 1 year to 2026. Others estimate that there will be a notable increase between 2024 and 2028. The price of Tesla would increase by 122%, from $569 to $1,263. After starting 2024 at $569, Tesla is expected to surge to $673 in the first half, $773 in the first half of the year, and up at $758 by the end. That is 175% more than now. The most bullish forecast of them all places the price of a Tesla share at almost $45,000 by 2030, a 50-fold increase over the 2021 estimate. By that calculation, the company's value would be $1.5 trillion. The price of Tesla is expected to increase by 25 in 2029 to 2033 from 1,263 to 1,182 USD. Starting at $1,263 at the beginning of 2029, Tesla is expected to fly to $12,800 in the first half of the year and end up at $13,600 in the first half of the year and end up at $13,600 at the end of 2029. It is roughly 3,777% higher than it is now. According to some experts, the stock value of Tesla might reach about $1,600 by 2025 and surpass $7,500 by 2035. This is based on the assumption that there will be 1.1 billion and 1.2 billion shares outstanding in 2025 and 2035, respectively, and PE multiple of roughly 50x in 2025 and 35x in 2035, x in 2035. This means that between 2025 and 2035, the market cap will be about $2 trillion and nearly $10 trillion, respectively. Although deliveries reached 500,000 units in 2020, analysts predict that they might reach about 3.2 million by 2020-25 and approximately 30 million by 2025 and approximately 35. Total revenues could increase from $31 billion in 2020 to over $160 billion in 2025 and over $1.3 trillion in 2035 if Tesla increases deliveries as anticipated. According to this, by 2025, average selling prices for Tesla cars will drop to $48,000, while other revenue will increase to $10 billion, In a recent video, Meshbahi from Farza, whose bio states that he attempts to forecast the future, shared his estimates for the price of Tesla shares by 2035. Meshbahi's forecasts, according to bull and bear instances, are predicated on the price of Tesla stock following the August split. His bear case summary projects that the price of Tesla stock in 2035 will be $440. This is predicated on the company's ability to deliver approximately 9.5 million vehicles, which would generate 406,688 in car revenues. As a result, energy revenues will total 74,597, AI revenues will total 48,235, and total revenues will total 525,519. Nevertheless, overall net income is anticipated to be